Hi love, welcome back to my channel. Have you tried combining Ogazi leaf and uzuza leaf? My dear, come over, let me teach you how to combine the two to give you this delicious and yummy taste. Yeah, so inside this pot we have stockfish, we have goat meat, we have beef and dried fish. So I also sliced small quantity of yam I'll be using to thicken the soup. I'll be using yam as my thickener. But you can actually use cocoyam, but I'll be using only yam. So I spiced it up with just salt and a cube of seasoning. I will cover and allow it to steam. So I will check if the yam is soft enough so that I can pull it out and pound, and of course it is good to go. So I will have to remove the yam and place it inside a mortar, then pound. Like I said earlier, you can also use cocoyam, but I chose to use yam. So if you've not tried this soup with yam, so give it a try and you will like the outcome. So I will then introduce it inside the steaming meat and other fishes. I'll add palm oil immediately. And then I'll allow it to cook. I'll just stir a bit and then allow it to cook. Guys, let me seize this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers, both new and old subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. On this video, I bring you cooking videos and also lifestyle videos and a lot of things, in fact. So as you can see, I'll come back to check if the yam has segregated enough. I'll stir, and of course it is okay. So this is what I'll be adding next. This thing is called periwinkle, also known as isam in Calabar, right? So I'll be adding it. So this is it. I will add it. Oh, this for this soup requires it to be doing I love this, and you need it for this kind of soup. And of course you have to make this soup to be watery. It doesn't need to be very thick. You enjoy it more when it's watery. So that's why I added water to it. I want my soup watery, not over thick soup. So I will stir and then allow it to boil. I'll come back to check on it, and at this point I'll have to introduce crayfish, and this is actually Cameroon pepper. As small as this Cameroon pepper, it is very pepperish, but you can actually add pepper of your choice, but I prefer this pepper because of its unique taste and nice flavor. Very, very pepperish. For those of you that know what I'm talking about, Cameroon pepper. So I will stir. So you see how watery I want my soup to look like. You see this is how watery I want it to be. Okay, now so I will then cover, allow it to boil for just 3 minutes, come back and then add the next ingredients. You get what I'm saying? This is Ogazi and uzuza. This one is Ogazi and the other one is uzuza. This one is Ogazi and this is uzuza. Ogazi, uzuza, Ogazi, uzuza. So the the Ogazi you use for your afan soup, yeah, I'll be adding it first because it's kind of harder than uzuza. So I'll add it first. Then after 2 minutes, I will then add the uzuza leaf. My gosh, if you try this soup, hey, you will say, what have I been doing for a very long time? What thing happened? Why I never see this soup? The test will carry you go where you don't know. Honestly speaking, it will take you to where you don't know. So this is me adding the uzuza leaf. And after the uzuza leaf, remember while I was steaming the meat, I added a cube of seasoning and salt. So I'll just have to stay and test for salt. If it is good to go, I will add just a bit. If it is not, I will just allow it to be. Yeah. So at this point, honestly, the soup is already souping. The aroma is everywhere. So if you're contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel, do well and subscribe, because we learn every day. Oh, so at this point, it's giving me that vibe I really want. I don't want a very thick soup. No, this soup not require it to be too thick. And coupled with the fact that we used yam as our thickener. So on its own, it will thicken on by itself. So you don't need to make it very thick. So I want it thick. So I'll have to check for salt, and it's as if it's not very. I need to add a little bit of salt. So I added and stay. Allow for 2 minutes, and this is it. The soup is supping. This is it. Start getting your swallow ready because it's about to go down. This is me. Oh, let me test. I need to test now. To all my subscribers, this one is for you guys. To you watching till this moment, this one is for you. And to my new subscribers, this one is for you. So like, you always come back and watch the videos on this channel. Are you contemplating whether to subscribe or not? Take this one, no. Are you shaking your head? I'm bringing this one to your doorstep. This is me telling you thank you to everyone that deemed it fit to always come back to watch my videos. Thank you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Love you.